over the past few months, we have gotten to know Shrader Law and Brian Shrader, of course, who's getting ready to join us. And the thing that I've been able to learn is he wants to make sure and help anyone in the Bay Area, no matter what their legal situation may be. And just to prove that, he's introducing us today to one of his attorneys there in his office, Alex Mendez, who is with us as well. And Brian, it really just goes to show you want to be able to have everyone call you if they have questions under the legal umbrella. If you can't help, you're going to find somebody who can, right?
That's right. And Shrader Law is not just me. It's a team of people, and I'm really fortunate that over the years to have attracted a great team. You guys have heard from me over the last few months. I wanted to introduce you to one of my colleagues, Alex Mendez. Alex works in our criminal defense and our consumer protection and our personal injury cases. And in fact, he's responsible for the largest settlement we had on a personal injury case last year. And what makes Alex an even more amazing member of our team is that he's a fluent native Spanish speaker. And so he's extremely helpful for clients who either don't speak English at all or simply prefer to speak Spanish. We want everyone to be comfortable and that know that nothing is lost in translation when they're speaking with their attorney.
I love hearing that. Alex, you're smiling and shaking your head. It's got to be nice to be able to make sure everyone feels comfortable. I mean, let's be honest, talking about the law anyways can be sometimes hard to understand. You shouldn't have a language barrier be in the way, right?
Absolutely.
So, well, one of the things that I love about these segments, Brian, you always give real situations and give advice to people just to show the scope of how you're able to help. And today we're talking a little bit about auto insurance. I'm going to be honest with you, living here in Florida, I still don't really understand it. How do you know if you're covered or not?
Well, you've got to protect yourself. And there are people on the roads, the other people on the roads, they don't care about you. They don't care about your loved ones. And so we see a lot of people who are harmed in accidents who unfortunately don't have a lot of opportunity to recover from that. And I heard Alex on the phone the other day. He was talking to a person who referenced the term. They said, "I have full coverage," and Alex had to explain to them, what full coverage in Florida actually meant. So, Alex, I'll ask you, what was that conversation like, and what should people really be looking out for?
It's unfortunate because a lot of people come in, they say, "I've got full coverage. I'm fully insured. I'm covered." More often than not, and unfortunately, they're not. In a situation where you need insurance, you don't want to be without it. So first thing I highly recommend, I want everybody to do is go home and check your insurance policies. Make sure that you have every coverage that's available to you. Bodily injury liability, uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, comprehensive, collision, medical payments, in addition to your personal injury protection and your property damage. And then second, if you are in a car accident, find a law firm and find attorneys that know how to find those insurance coverages, that they know how to dig deep, to get in the trenches with you. And make sure that the insurance companies aren't hiding any policies or coverages that would entitle you to compensation. And that's what we do here at Shrader Law, and that's what we want to do for you.
I'll say that really kind of is disturbing to hear that sometimes those things are hidden, which again just shows the importance of getting somebody on your side like Shrader Law. The other thing that's really in the headlines too, of course, the eviction, the foreclosure, everything has been lifted. The floodgates are now open, if you will. Are you seeing more calls regarding this? How are you able to help those folks who are affected?
Yeah, the numbers are shocking of the amount of people who may be facing eviction in the near future. And we know that every single one of those people has financial problems, that they're having to choose which bills to pay, which bills not to pay, that they're getting calls probably from multiple debt collectors. And it's important that they know that they can reach out to an attorney like my firm. We can talk to them about ways of maybe getting their debt forgiven, of getting their debt reduced, of getting possibly money in their pocket if the debt collector violated the law. And the debt collectors have to pay all of our fees for that. But one thing, and it's important that I have Alex here for this, is we see the abuses and the harassment to Spanish-speaking people exceed those of our English-speaking clients dramatically. And so I wanted Alex to touch on some of the things that he's seen with some of the Spanish-speaking clients on those types of cases.
It's unfortunate that in the Spanish-speaking community, obviously English not being their first language, a lot is lost in translation.
Yeah.
So you see a lot of the creditors and the debt collectors just really abusing a lot of the Spanish-speaking community members. They're aggressive, they're vulgar, and they beat them down and they bully them to a point that they have to enter into a payment arrangement that they really can't do, and then it just becomes a vicious cycle. So it's really unfortunate, and you see it in the call recordings, you see it in the account notes, that the consumers are saying, "I can't pay it, stop calling me, I just can't do it." And they keep finding ways around and keep, continue to poke them. So it's really unfortunate.
Well, again, two scenarios, two of many I know that the both of you see, but the key is you want to help those in the Tampa Bay area. So as always, we want to make sure, share your phone number, share your website. And Alex, it was great to meet you today. Brian, as always, it's good to see you. And I look forward to seeing you guys both again very soon.
We appreciate it very much. And as Brian mentioned earlier, we are fluent, bilingual firm. So si tuviste un accidente de carro, si tienes una situación criminal, si estás recibiendo llamadas de acreedores o agentes de colecciones, llámanos, te queremos ayudar, te vamos a ayudar.